People ask me, what's your secret? Why has this program worked when so many others have failed? Well, without giving away the recipe to my secret sauce, I can tell you that the pre-season plays a huge role in a member's success. Now, pre-season opens up as soon as you sign up and continues until your 12 WBT kicks into full swing. I'll give you tasks that prepare you physically and mentally for the transformation ahead. It's basically time for you to prepare and set your goals. Now, some of these take 5 minutes in front of the computer. Others require you to think or do things just a little bit differently. You'll look at your weekly food spend and see how much you can save by eating healthily or healthier. And we'll look at what makes a healthy pantry. I'll teach you how to keep your health a priority and not something that drops off your to-do list as soon as you get busy. I'll also get you to do a simple fitness test, which will see what exercise plan is right for your ability and goals. Now, by the time week 1 rolls around, you'll be organized, mentally prepared, and chomping at the bit, ready to get stuck into your program. So, do you want to kick this goal of yours right in the butt? Of course you do. So join my 12-week body transformation today and don't skip pre-season.